on your video. I'm recording on you.
Why are you recording me?
Look at it. Look at the phone. Look at my phone. I'm recording you.
I'm not looking because you will know it's me.
Yeah. Guys, these are fat stinking birds getting their tickets ready.
And they're going to have a party.
Look at that over there. Look, Leon. I'm not gonna drop my phone.
They're stinking fat.
You can see him right over there. They're stinking ugly fat. Oh, they're fly away. Oh, there they are. Wait, there they are. Look at my camera. Look, there they are.
Fat baby.
Yeah, fat birds. Look at them. They're still waiting in line. Look at the back. There are too many over there. Let me get in. I want to go to pit stage, VIP stage pass. No, where's your turn? Okay. Tweet. What?
You sound like a bear.
Yolo. What a big bird.
No, that's what a fat bird sounds like.
What?
That's how fat birds talk. Okay,
I
let's.
heard you sound like a bear.
I know. I sound weird. Those birds are still waiting in line. If I move more closely, they would just they would just fly away and go somewhere else to buy tickets.
Like poopy day?
Okay, bye-bye.
Poopy day.
What did you do?
You need to jump the bird and then you can get 4,080 infinity coins.
What? No, you're not. You're scamming. Those birds. Look at them. I'm still recording them. Oh, there's Snoopy. They're trying to record. This is so dumb. Alright, guys. See you. Bye-bye.